Hi everyone, Andre here, your wealth wingman from Team ProsperUs. So today we'll be going through the product mechanics for options, okay? So do take note that for options, we are currently only offering long-only options, all right? And to get to that page, there are two ways you can do it. One is via here. So once you do open up the trade ticket for the specific product underlying equity that you wish to do options for, you can see on the top right here, you can click on that for it to change the equity equity option trade ticket. The other way is via the option chain, as you can see on the right side here. So if you click on any of the bid ask, the option trade ticket would appear. All right, so once you actually fill in the different fields accordingly at the bottom here, I do want you to take note that the cost will be the commissions charge. All right, I wouldn't worry about initial margin and margin impact because that will only affect shorting of options. So premium here is essentially the 100 shares multiplied by the price. All right, so one contract option is actually 100 underlying shares multiplied by the option price would be the premium payable. Okay, so cash available is how much cash you have in your account. So if you do not have sufficient, the order will not go through. So last trading date would change according to when your option actually expires. All right, so that would change accordingly. Open interest is basically how many options are currently available. Okay. Next would be all options here are exercised via American style options. Okay, so you can exercise purchasing the underlying instrument at any point in time before expiry. Okay, so settlement style is physical, so you will receive the actual underlying 100 shares of the option that you purchase. And yes, as I mentioned, the contract size is 100 shares for every option. All right, so to go into further, greater detail here, we can go to the I button here, which would show you the trading conditions for this specific option. So as you can see, the option is $1.50 USD per option. I do take note there are exchange fees as well. Okay, and the carrying cost would only apply to short options, so we will skip that. So this, under this cost tab here, it would show you an indicative cost of actually holding that position for a specific period. Okay, so do take note, this is indicative only, so do exercise some caution when you're actually looking at this. It is, however, a good tool for you to see what your estimated cost is going to be. Last but not least, under the instrument tab here, so as we all know, premium, okay, is 100% payable, so that is cash settled for long options. Okay, that's how much premium you have to pay. The next few rows are only applicable for shorting of options, so we will not go through that for now. Okay, so the instrument is traded on the Options Price Reporting Authority, also known as OPRA. The sector of Tesla, the underlying stock is automobiles, contract size 100 shares. Maximum exposure is 30 contracts, so you can't actually go beyond that unless you actually seek a specific request to have this amended higher. All right, so settlement style is physical, American options, as I mentioned. So exercise cutoff, okay, is daily. So do take note that if you wish to exercise the option, it is 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. All right, so 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The expiry time, okay, so when your options expire, it is 4 p.m. So do take note there is a difference. All right, so for options, we support limit orders only, as is stated here. So do take note, no market orders, no stop orders, only limit. All right, last but not least would be the trading times of OPRA. You can actually refer to that at the bottom over here. So that's pretty much it for options. So if you guys do have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to our ProsperUs team and we'll be happy to assist you. Thank you very much.